Hey crew, Mitch here from Real Simple. Today's workout is number 18 of the Real Simple workout series. Today's workout is very simple for me to explain. It's one or two movements that we're running through. So the movement I'm going to run through first, and then I'm going to run through how it's structured differently for each division that you're possibly going to do. Our movement is a squat sprawl. So it means we do a full squat as normal, getting as low as we can, and straight down into a sprawl, which is to the top of a push-up and jumping back up. Okay? So again, a squat into a sprawl. Make sure that you stand up the squat fully. It's not a squat into a sprawl. We need to stand up at the top, and then we can jump our legs back. Today is a death by workout, meaning that we're going to start with one repetition in the first minute. And as soon as the next minute ticks over, we're adding one repetition, and then we have to get that done in that minute. So minute one, for example, for the beginners, we'll start with one repetition. As soon as minute two ticks over, you need to run through two repetitions. And you obviously get the rest of that minute to rest, recover, enjoy while it's easy. Then it will bump up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and become more and more difficult. Okay? So today beginners start on one repetition. Intermediate crew, you start on 3 reps in the first minute. And the advanced crew, you start on 5 reps in the first minute. We're hanging on for as many minutes as we can do. Let's pop our scores below and which division we did, meaning how many reps we started with. If we need to step through that movement, we totally can. If we can't get all the way down in the squat, we're getting as low as we can go. But the idea is to hang on for as long as we can in today's workout. Enjoy. As always, guys, there'll be a link below to our Real Simple community. If you're interested in joining, jump in. We're obviously giving away free workouts, trying to create community around health, fitness, nutrition, all the good things. So as I said, the link will be below in the description. And yeah, like the video, comment your scores below the video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.